Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the system and inspecting visible parts. You need to verify power delivery, PoE or adapter, because inconsistent voltage causes resets. Next, examine cables and connectors. Reseat any loose RJ45 or BNC connections to eliminate intermittent contact. Also inspect the lens, housing, and mount for water ingress or misalignment. A tilted bracket shifts field of view. Once done, you'll know whether to proceed to network diagnostics or mechanical adjustments, since most failures are power, cable, or physical issues. You now focus on network and software layers because most cameras are fine physically but fail on the network. Start by pinging the camera. If unreachable, assign a temporary static IP in the same subnet so you can log in. Once connected, check firmware and update if the current version is buggy. Use Web UI or TFTP per manufacturer instructions to avoid bricking. Make sure ports, RTSP settings, and firewall rules allow streams and NVR connectivity, and test the video feed to confirm success. You finish by optimizing image and securing the installation so the fix lasts. Adjust focus, exposure, and IR cutoff to eliminate blur and glare. This improves analytics and identification. Next, tighten mounts, seal seams against moisture, and realign the camera to cover target areas. Once done, run a 24-48-hour test and monitor logs. If problems persist, enable debug logs and check for overheating or power sag. Those logs point to failing hardware or intermittent network interruptions that require replacement or UPS/PoE injector fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.